Hello, beautiful people. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, I don't know, so I'm sit down, right? And I'm dropping these stories back to back. Yes, I said back to back for 2021. I'm coming to you with a lot of story, guys. Before you all go into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Korigodas. So yes, guys, wanna do all of that? Alright, let's go into the video now. So guys, I'm gonna give you a story about when I used to work security. Yes, I was a security one time in Trinidad. Yes, guys, and trust me, I make money. I make lots of money. I was once a security, a woman security officer. Yes, guys. So, guys, when I used to do security, I could talk about it now because I'm no longer in Trinidad. I no longer work for the company. The owner for the company passed away and everything. Most of who we used to do it with, them not work for the company no more. So, guys, we know it have people on my channel whose name is gonna call now, right? So, when we used to work at the UTT them, right? Guys, we used to wait for everybody go sleep. Let me rephrase it. When we used to work at the UTT, it was a boarding school. You understand? A right behind at the airport. When me tell us the people them did them bad. Remember saying you sleep, you get to sleep at night time, you have to sleep with one eye open. Guys, so it have one time when all of we gonna sleep, you know. Listen to me, them people they're revengeful. You know when you have to watch? You have to watch when they come to holiday time. Because when holiday time, all of them have to leave. Them have to go home. Them have to go home. Them have to go home. You understand? Some of them who don't live in the country, sometimes them get opportunity to stay there. You understand? Because some of them can't get to go home. Maybe due to financial problem. Guys, when me tell us, I'm a little pit them, you know. A big people there, you know. Some of them older than me them time, you know. Them cow shit down the whole place. I'm telling them cow shit because it's an agricultural school. You understand? Them pull the place with the cow doo-doo. You see the toilet paper? Them take out all of the toilet paper because of the Christmas, you know. I see when all of we as security who fear guard them asleep. That the time that them do what them do. You understand? Them wrap up the railing them and the tree them and everything. Them going to the bathroom because remember it's a big school, you know. So it have lots of bathrooms and it have lots of tissue. And when I tell lots of tissue, I mean like the big jumbo roll them. And when I tell us say every one of the three them wrap up with toilet paper. Yeah? Wrap up with toilet paper. Them kids there because you know what them say no boy enough for the female dance, no female enough for the boy dance. But a lot of them, you know, most of them are couples. Some of them live together on the campus. But them sneak in and go in the one in the room. Actually live together. Because some of them will have them own a room. Some female have them own room. Some male have them own room. Guys, you know the only way to sleep in a peace at night time. Remember I work, you know. But we sleep at night time. Yes, sleep at night time. Sleep at night. Full sleep. Walk without sheet. Yeah, walk with sheet. Yes, walk with sheet. Everything. Clothes coming by the next day. We want to pick up duty and thing. But not going into that there. Because I have to go to them the story down the line. You understand? Can't get all that story. I have to just get a part, yeah. So, you have to live nice with these kids. Well, them are not kids, students. Let me say students. Because a lot of them older than me. at that time. Even now, but them did older than me. And some of them were there at school have all kids, you know. Big married woman are sitting, you know. But them come back at school and do the degree. And when I see them do certain things, I have to act like I know you not see them. You see, as long as they're not dangerous. Let me rephrase it. You see, as long as it's not nothing dangerous, you see them I do. Act like you don't see. Because listen, you have to play nice. Because you see, when you give trouble on their shift, on your shift, to those students, they're gonna wait for when you work in a night shift. And all of them come together. The compound was so big, it was what? 9 officers and 2 K9. Yes. The 2 K9 officers plus 2 dogs. So you know say a big compound me I talk about. The K9 them work down in the back. But when the K9 people them did real cool. Our company, the K9 them was contractor. It have somebody supervisor them never like when we talk up like to the K9 them because they are contracted workers, them want to make it look like say, oh they're load. But no. Them are still went in there and then put them down in the back. But we and the K9 them did cool, real cool. You understand? So we used to make them hide and sleep all in our security booth them and sitting. Because which part them have them down in the back, you know, in the bush part, you know. Because remember it's an agricultural school. So you know have to be nice to these students them. So at night time you can sleep good. Because you see, if you're not nice to them, you can't sleep at night time. No. Sleep where? Them and make sure them listen. Them come and them walk around and them look for make sure say, okay, this is one of she a work and she a informer. Because you know they say everything is informer, but at the end of the day, it's not informer. It's doing your job. Because it's either your job or them. So you see, as long as I know something them do. Because, like, to be honest, if me see a girl go in a one boy room, you understand? I'm going to be honest. Me not report it. Reason being, most of them did older than me. And if you make somebody get in a trouble and write up and they might get suspended and things for that. And them education, they're adults. You understand? Them are adults. You see, me understand say they don't want certain things, but me never say talk about them something. You understand? Anyway, if them like spray out the fire extinguisher, that's the next story. Because I have so much story for telling you now. Oh, if them like spray the extinguisher or do anything like wrap up the tissue them. What did I say? What the word did I use? Anyway, I don't know how I talk. What the word I use? Malicious destruction of property, I think go. Yeah. So anyway, when them do all them things me go report you. You understand? Because me not have no choice. Because it's either me or you. Because if me say me never see when it happen, where were you? Why didn't you see it? You understand? My favorite place to work when I used to work there. Anyway, regardless of how rude those kids are, I like work on the dorm. Guess why I like to work on the dorm? Because the dorm is a rotated spot. Yes, it's a rotated spot. But only thing, working on the dorm, you might be the last one to get relief. But I always like work the dorm. Reason being why I always like work the dorm, as much as these kids are so, they make your head hurt you. I'm still as a kids because they act like a kids. I like work the dorm because you see when I do a double shift, yes, I do double shift. Night into man, sometimes I have 5 days I work. 5 days I work. Yes. 5 days. 5 days. Me, when I work that day, company there, they do security. Before I start working at security office, me they work more money than enough of them people there who in a high heels and working at the office as secretary in at the university. More working more money than them. Yes. Because if me not have nowhere to go, you see, on weekend, I go out time. But you see, in the week, mama shop duty. And my boyfriend at the time used to work in the company too. You understand? Enough people never did know. We lived together. They never did know that. So many have a problem. Because I told we always the one name the one place. You understand? We have bathroom, hot and cold water. Remember we are sleeping at night time, you know, because we have a key them for everywhere. We get to go sleep in the office, all sort of something. But we sleep good at night time. Yeah, we sleep real good at night time. We got the key them. We just go open up and the whole away. We lock off the gate because remember, you know, you can't come in if we don't let you in. Yeah, nobody can come in at the compound if we don't let them in. But we have to just make sure so we alert. You understand? Yeah. So, we have hot and cold water. Yes, we have hot and cold water. Where we bed. And nice bathroom. Where we bed. We have everything. We have kitchen there for make tea. You see me? And then it have Maxwell right down the road and KFC for eat nice food. Yes, it have a canteen on the compound. We sell taste bad food. Because them canteen food never really nice. We eat it though, but you know, it's not a choice. You know? It's not that good, but it can't eat. You know? So yeah, I'll 5 days there work. How much hours we clock in? You understand? Somebody the supervisor them to get bad mind. But now I'm going at them the story there, you know. I don't want to go in at them. Because I go too much in a one video. But anyway, yeah, we used to get to sleep on the compound. Because I tell you about the sleeping part and how rude the kids them is. But now I'm going at the part how the supervisor them was. Because I have to go to them story there little by little. Because if I go to everything one time, I'm not going to sit down for watch the rest of the video. Oh, I don't want them little. So yes, but as I tell us a long story short, anywhere you go in this world, you go have some time you go broke some rules. You understand? For your comfort. Because reason being, like certain things like example, boy not go in a girl room and girl not go in a boy room. And those are the things where them can get in a trouble for if you report them. I mean, you must give them apply a reason why it's a give and take situation. Because if me go report them, remember, you know, me have to go and say, and me say, yes, I see you. It's not a situation where them are going to say, oh, a security officer said them see you. No, them are going to make them know say me. You understand? And then them kids they know. Remember, you know, it's just 11 away. I work at night time. You understand? 11 away or 10 away I work at night time. And sometimes shift short. Thousands of kids. And when me tell her say, when the whole of them come together, it's nothing normal. When all of them come together, I don't know normal. Because first of all, them a come and them a spot out the whole of the security booth. Them because they have 3 security booths on the compound. It have building 5, it have main gate, and it have farm gate. Yeah? And when we tell them come and them knock it, bam bam bam, sick you asleep. You know? And you jump up frightened. You can't get to sleep. So the moral of the story is sometimes you have to live good with people when they want your comfort. Because when me live good with them now, me get to sleep at night time and me can get to pick up extra duty in the morning. I know they walk around on the compound like a zombie. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. And also guys, please to go over to my sister channel. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. The link will be in the description box below. Please to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, she have a lot of delicious meals over there. So yes, if you want to learn to cook some Jamaican food or some Trinidad food, that's the right place to go. She have it locked. Yes. If you want to know how to blend some seasoning, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So thank you guys. Bye. I'm out.